Zulu Gang family, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Zulu Gang. Mwah, 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 mwah. And if you are new to this channel, you are more than welcome. Be at home, honey, and please do subscribe, like, and press the notification button and share. Igama lami nguNqobelo kaMkhize, intombi yakwaKhabazela uMavovo Gcabeka Sihlanhle. You know what time it is. Today we are doing a Shein haul. I've never done it before, first time doing it, but yeah, these literally arrived 45 minutes ago. This has to be the fastest Shein order that I've ever gotten. Also, I didn't know they deliver on weekends, but they do. So this is everything that I got, and I'm just gonna try it on with you guys. I've not opened these, so I don't know whether they fit or not. So let's get it. Okay, so this is the first outfit. This is a sweater. It's in size large. I think I should have ordered extra large because I feel like it's small. I wanted it to be bigger than this, but it's still okay. It's still okay. Like, it's still okay, but could have been bigger. I wouldn't mind it being bigger, but so yeah, this is how it looks from the back. But I love the color and everything, and it's warm as well. It's just the size for me, child. So yeah. The second one, guys, is a bottleneck. I'm not mad. It's okay. It's in size medium. I've got this in size medium, and it fits perfectly. I just thought that it was gonna be a bodysuit, but it's actually not. It's just a normal one. So I'm not too mad about it. I am actually happy. It's warm. I love the texture as well. It's, yeah, no. If you just put your pants in, I think if you tuck it in, you are going to be the girl that you think you are. Yep, I'm not mad. I'm not too mad. And then, guys, these are the ties that I bought. Ooh, these have to be my favorites. These have to be my favorite. They came in size large. This is also size large, and this is how they look. I love them. I love everything about these ties. Literally everything. Everything. They're so comfortable. They are tight. They hold everything where it's supposed to be. Everything. Literally, my belly is where it's supposed to be, child. I love them, and they are long. They are long. So yeah, no, I love these. I really love this, child. Okay, guys, this is the dress. I think it was large as well. Everything that I buy is large. Okay, the dress was medium. Okay, this is medium. It's tight. It's good. I have literally no complaints, simply because it shows off everything that it's supposed to show off, child. And it's long. Like, it's really long. It's an ankle. Up to an ankle. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. And yeah, man, this is a dress. I love it. Like, I love it. I love the dress. I'm not wearing a bra, I'm not wearing anything. Just, you know, going for shopping. I don't know. I love it. This is by far my favorite. My favorite out of this order. This is my favorite so far. I still have 2 things to fit, but this is my favorite already. And yes, child. Okay, you guys, here's another dress. It's got a slit here. Baby. I cannot fault this. The shoulders are shouldering. Everything is where it's supposed to be. The size is right. The size is medium as well. I'm just a medium person when it comes to Shein, child. And yeah, this is the dress. This is the dress. this weekend. But yeah, this is the dress. I cannot fault it. There's something in here for the shoulders to shoulder, you know what I mean? And yeah, can wear it at a dinner, you know, you can wear it at a club, of course. At dinner, it depends who you're going with, because child, the slit goes way too high. But yeah, this is the dress. I love it. I don't know. Now I'm confused between this dress and that other one, which one is my favorite. I have no idea. But I think the brown one is still my favorite, because I kind of like, I'm very insecure when it comes to showing off a lot of skin. But child, this dress is dressing. Layak. Definitely for the club, for the streets, honey. For the streets, honey. For the streets. No, this dress is giving. The dress is giving. Oh my God. Yep. Okay, guys, this is another dress. This is the last one. It's also, what size is this? I left the package in the bathroom, but I think it's medium as well. And this is how it looks. Too short, shorter than anticipated, but it's still okay. It's still okay. I wouldn't mind it for a club. I wouldn't mind it. So yeah, I don't know why I bought so many dresses, because it's winter, but this is the dress. This is the dress, and I'm not mad about it. It's just that it's too short. I don't like short things, but hey, this is the dress, and yeah. And this is actually the last one. So yeah. So guys, that is it with my Shein haul. Hope you guys enjoyed, and can just put a comment down below as to, does it suit me? Which one is your favorite? Should I buy more large than mediums? Because almost everything that I bought was medium. So just tell me what you think about it. And yeah, so see you again, regular. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's another day, right? Yep. Today we're going to be unboxing, because this is a vlog, so we're just carrying on from where we ended. Is it a vlog? It's not really a vlog. This video was actually meant to be a Shein haul, but then I thought I'm gonna have a delivery, so we might as well just do the unboxing on the same video. So yeah, we are going to be unboxing what's in here, but I forgot to order okay, somebody promised to buy it for me, but I was actually supposed to order a ring light, because my ring light is in, but hence I'm on the floor. And somebody promised to buy it for me because it's my birthday coming. So let's... Exciting. There's no need for all of this. Scratch to reveal a surprise. I'll scratch later. Okay, so I ordered a kettle, simply because my kettle is not working. This is electric kettle, stainless steel, cordless, 2.0 liters. It's a Condis brand. Yep. This is it. Let's just unbox it and see. It's just the normal kettle. Okay, so you know what this is, right? Okay. And then... Okay. Why is it orange here? What is this orange thing? But yeah, it's the kettle, guys. right, let's put this there. I'm gonna test it if it's working. And then what I was actually ordering was this, a hot comb. Then I remembered that my kettle's not working, but what I actually wanted to order was this. This is a cold ceramic professional press comb. Alright. Yep. Let me see. 450 Fahrenheit. High heat straightens unruly hair. Fast 30 seconds heat up. I'm doing this for my weaves, because child, installing weaves at salons is expensive. Okay, so this is the hot comb. I don't know if you guys are gonna see properly. Okay, this is the hot comb. This is how it looks like. Yeah. I'm gonna comb my weave. Now I can remove these braids. Okay. What else was in there? Something else. And then it's so plasticky. I don't know how to insert this, but okay, I guess this goes here. And then depending on what you want to do to your weave, so I guess this one you can use it to curl or whatever, you know. So yeah, exciting. I have a hot comb. It's gonna make my life so easier. It was so difficult installing without a hot comb, guys. It is so difficult. Yeah, that's it. Where's that thing? I want to scratch. I actually want to scratch this and see what I want. Oh, I need to scan the QR code first and whatever. Ugh, I don't have time for that. But that is just about it, guys, and I think that is it for this video. We're gonna meet on my next video, which will be my birthday special vlog. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment, and then we'll see you some other time. Bye.